Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the employee management system using Python. So first user have to create a free account. User have to enter the name, email ID, password and re-enter the password. Then log in with the same email ID and password, and then click here to login button. Okay, it will open the home page. So you can see user have to enter the full name, position, mobile number, address. Okay, and then click on the add employee button. So it will store the details in the database. This project developed using Python programming language, and Tkinter module used for the user interface, and SQL is used for database. Okay, let's enter the email ID and password. Okay, and click here to login. So you can also edit the details, like I'm just updating the mobile number. You can also delete that particular row. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.